How to migrate Docker volumes? We can move Docker volumes from one container to another container, meaning we can share or we can copy container volumes which are attached to one container to another container. Thereby we can share data between the containers. Let us see how to do this. Here I am having a volume. Let's see the volume available on my Docker host. Volume 2 is the one available. Let us inspect this volume. Docker volume inspect volume 2. So it's available here. Let's go to this directory. And yes, here I am having a file, file3.txt. Let us attach this volume 2 to some container. Docker run -it. Give some name to the container. Let's say container1 -v. Let's attach this volume 2 to a location called data under root inside the container. Let's get the container from the image Ubuntu. So it's downloading the image Ubuntu and we are into the container. We got the shell of the container as we have executed it in -it mode. Now let's see a data directory where I should be seeing a file called file3. So yeah, this is how volumes work, isn't it? We have seen this already. Now let me create some file here. Let's say file4.txt. Let's add some content. I'm from container1. Done. Now I am having two files here. So we are actually in the volume directory only on the host. So I have two files. Now here what I want to do is I want to copy the volume to another container. Like whichever volume I am having here, I want to copy this. From container 1, whatever volumes I have on container 1, I want to copy into another container. So let's start a container in interactive terminal mode. Let's say name of the container is container 2. And I want to copy the volumes from container 1. So we have a command called volumes from container 1. So that whichever volumes, any number of volumes could be attached to container 1. So all those volumes whichever are attached to container 1 can be copied to container 2. Sorry, can be copied to container 2. Let us run this. No such container 1. Volumes from container 1. Container name is misspelled. Here I have given the container name is, let me confirm the container name whichever we are having. Docker ps -a. We can see the container name. It's yum. I have misspelled it. So let's use the same name. So copy from, it's a container. Here I have written yum. So let's copy from here. So whichever volumes attached to container 1 should be available on container 2. Yes, now let's see here. See, I have a data directory. Can you see that? A data directory was there which was copied from container 2. We can see all the files whichever are available on container 1. So this is how we can copy or move the containers from volumes from one container to another container, thereby sharing data between the containers.